So here we have another situation, solve and represent on a number line. Here we have a 2 in our denominator. As soon as possible, let us cancel out that 2. As soon as possible, let us cancel out this 2 by multiply. We're going to multiply by 2 on the left, because 2 is dividing, so we multiply by 2 on the left, and we multiply by 2 on the right. So the 2 cancels out on the left side, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. On the left, we don't have any division by 2 anymore. What we are left is 3 open bracket 5 minus x. And on the right now, we have 6 times 2 is 12. Now we're going to clear brackets. Clear brackets by multiplying. So we have 3 5s are 15. And 3 by negative x, negative 3x. Now remember, we say whenever we have a negative x, try to make it as positive as soon as possible to avoid dividing. I don't want to divide by a negative 3. I'm going to switch the direction of the inequality sign. I'm going to add 3x on the left. That will cancel out negative 3x, but I have to add 3x on the right. So this now will leave us with just a 15 on the left side. And then we have a 12 plus 3x on the right side. Now we have to cancel out 12 now, because we're trying to get x by itself. So canceling out 12, we have to subtract 12. 12 subtract 12 will give us 0. If we subtract 12 on the left, we have to subtract 12 on the right. So now we're going to have a situation whereby 15 subtract 12, we take out 12 from 15, you are left with 3, and then 12 subtract 12 is 0. So now we're dividing by a positive 3 now. That's what we wanted. So the inequality sign do not have to switch direction. To cancel out of 3 times x, we divide by 3 on both sides. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So for our final answer, we have left with x. Remember, we said always try to read from the x. X is less than or equal to 1. All the numbers that are less than or equal to 1, where are they? 1 is included on the left side of 1. So you can actually appreciate the fact that if you look at it closely, you see the arrowhead pointing towards the right. So but the arrowhead now, the arrow don't have to point from the right, because we're reading from x. It says all the numbers that are less than 1. Because this point now is less than or equal to 1. Where are all the numbers that are less than or equal to 1? On the left side of 1, numbers like 0 and so forth. All the numbers that are less than or equal to 1.